How to get LinkedIn Premium Membership Free Trial. Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to get a free trial of LinkedIn Premium Membership. Whether you're looking to explore premium features or just want to see if it's right for you, this guide will walk you through the steps to start your free trial. So let's dive in. Open your web browser and go to LinkedIn's website. If you're using a mobile device, you can also open the app. If you're not already signed in, click on the sign in button and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you need to create one before proceeding. On the desktop, hover over your profile picture at the top right corner and select Upgrade to Premium from the drop-down menu. LinkedIn offers several premium plans, including Premium Career, Premium Business, Sales Navigator, and Recruiter Lite. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Then, click on the Start My Free Trial button. LinkedIn usually offers a free 1-month trial for their premium memberships, so you may need to enter your payment details to activate this trial, but you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and activate your free trial. You'll receive a confirmation email and you can start using LinkedIn Premium features immediately. Be sure to set a reminder for yourself to cancel before the trial period ends. If you decide not to continue with a paid subscription, you can manage your subscription settings in the account section of LinkedIn. And that's how you get a free trial of LinkedIn Premium. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.